how to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So on this process, firstly, you will have to open the WhatsApp on your device. So simply open the WhatsApp. And now from here, you'll be able to see your friends or your own profile pictures from here. So if you are facing the blurry profile picture on WhatsApp, that might be from your internet connections. So first of all, make sure you are connected to the high speed internet or mobile data connection. So simply you have to check it from here. And now from here, you can also check that your data or Wi-Fi is working well or not. You have to open and check in another app that your internet is working or not. So you can check it from here. And after you confirm that your internet connection is good, you'll have to again open the WhatsApp. And now from here, you can know that your friends on WhatsApp may upload the lowest quality pictures on WhatsApp. And even your profile picture also showing a blurry. So you have to click on the three dot just at the top at corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from your settings. So from your tap on your profile section. And now from here, you have to upload a highest quality profile picture to fix the problem blurry profile picture on your WhatsApp. So this is the simplest method and terms that you can fix the blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.